Milwaukee health officials are calling it the first large cluster of whooping cough at an area high school, or an area school that is. New at 10, the number of cases are growing around the state with no end in sight.
I'm fully expecting we'll see additional cases in the coming weeks and months.
Whooping cough or pertussis is on the rise once again. This letter was sent out to staff and parents at St. Matthias Parish School last week after 16 cases popped up there. The school even canceled its VIP Grandparents' Day to limit exposure to the elderly.
With this cluster, 25% of the kids have not received their Tdap booster vaccination.
The booster is a more recent requirement for kids entering the 6th grade.
Part of the problem is many healthcare providers and parents are unaware of that requirement.
We are certainly seeing more.
Margaret Hennessy is a pediatrician and encourages parents to get the booster for their kids and for their family.
Grandparents can do that before the baby's born. Dad can do that before the baby's born. And being protective is really our best defense against pertussis.
The city of Milwaukee has 55 cases so far this year, and the issue is growing. The state health department investigated 644 cases within the first 2 months of this year. And as you look around the state, Marathon County has 100. The city of Appleton is up to 97.
We've had sent over 15,000 notifications already since December, alerting groups of people that they may have had an exposure.
For a list of clinics where you can get a pertussis booster shot, log on to WISN.com and click on the On TV section.